Hey, how's it going everybody? Twoloosebricks here, and today I got some fascinating stuff. I was over to the local drugstore and I found some Legos, so I decided to pick it up and I'm going to show you what it is. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell for future uploads. Ready? Let's go! So, here we go. I picked up just a whole bunch of the random Series 20 minifigures that came out, and I have no idea. There's certain ones I want. If I got them, great. If I don't have them, it is what it is. But I decided, well, you know what? The price was right, so let's see if I can get some of the ones that I want. And I just sort of grabbed them. Didn't really feel too much for them because, you know, now there's no bump codes on them. There's no way to really tell what ones are what except feel for them. And some of them even have the bags inside it, so it even makes it even worse to tell. They still have the factory code or the plant code on it right there of where they're packaged. Apparently that is what it is. It's not like a date code or anything. It's a this is a 09 RO and this is a 10 RO. So I don't know if it's a batch code or a plant code, but I was told it was a plant code of where they come from. But anyway, we know they all come from China because that's where the minifig plant is. I've got confirmation of that from Lego themselves in a behind the scenes thing, and they say that they come from all different places. But on the back of this, it says it's made in this part, blah 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 blah. But anyway, the main minifig plant is now located in China apparently. Maybe I'm wrong, but I seen paperwork from Lego saying that it was. So anyway, let's get at it and let's see what we got. Didn't zip it down far enough, I guess, because it's still sealed. Oh, that's funny. So, I don't want to zip it down too much. I want to try to save the front of the bag. I have a purpose for that. So let's see which one we got here. Oh, wicked! It is Mr. Turtle Guy. And I really wanted the turtle, so that's like super awesome. So, okay. That's the turtle guy, so we'll put him aside and we'll build these in a second. I just want to see what we all got here first off. And let's see what this guy brings us. Oh sweet, another one that I wanted. The Mexican, Spanish, whatever you want to call it, guy with the pinata. That's awesome. So we have a spot for him in the Mexican pavilion. That's awesome. So that was two that I wanted. So now we're 2 for 2. So that's good. That's good. That's really super good. My two other ones that I really want to get or have, just because I really super like them, is the keyboard player guy, because I did play keyboards before, and the drone guy, because I have a drone. Okay, this is the kangaroo guy. That's cool. Kind of cool. That's good for some kind of thing in this on the display. Well, you definitely use that on the display, so that's cool. It's kangaroo girl. I will change my statement because it is girl. It's girl minifig face. And let's see what we got in this one. Surprise me. It's another turtle. Wow, that's awesome. Those turtles are like so hard to get, so that's gonna be like super cool. Okay, let's see. I'm doing too good on these, cutting these bags, am I? So what we got here? Oh, we got the Power Ranger guy. Well, it's kind of disappointing, I guess, because I didn't really want him. Even though I grew up with Power Rangers, kind of a downer fig anyway. It's okay, it'll go in the amusement park. But not one of my favorites, put it that way. Now, let's see what this one is. Surprise! It is another one that I never thought that I would have, which it is like the conquistador guy or just Spanish guy with all the swords and stuff. It's okay, it's okay. So, we got one package left. Let's hope it's either the keyboard guy or the drone guy, because that's what we were going for. Okay, let's see what it is. Surprise, surprise. Keep our fingers closed. I'm closing my eyes while I dump this. And it's not, but it's the brick guy, so that's cool because it has the 10 brick. So that's cool too. So I'm happy. Not seriously upset because I got a double of the turtle guy because I love the turtle. Wanted the Mexican guy. The draft girl was cool, like that one. The Spanish dual guy, whatever, or girl, because it's got hair on it too. So, okay, that's cool, that's cool. We'll find a spot for him. Kind of like reminds me of the Princess Bride now, so. But this one, the Power Ranger, yeah. You know, he's at the bottom of my list. Of all the 16 in the set, or 20 in the set, he's like the last one that I would want. The brick guy, I do have the, this is different. I can't remember if the red and the blue was done like this. But anyway, I have the red and the blue one, so he can go with it. And that's cool because it's got that special printed 10 brick. So that's up there on the list too. But, you know, I really wanted the keyboard guy and the drone guy, but we'll keep trying. So all in all, here we are with the figures built. And we have the green brick guy, the Power Ranger, the 2 turtle diver girls, the kangaroo girl, the piñata boy, or girl, but I'm going to say it's a boy because he has blue pants, and the swashbuckling girl. Now I've noticed there's a lot of female girl minifigs in this series too. Like, okay, the swashbuckler is a girl, the kangaroo is a girl, the diver with the turtle is a girl, and it has dual face, and I think the kangaroo does as well. Let's look at the sheet here. I'm going to say, okay, so the NASA space girl is another female. The athlete is a girl, and we also have the little girl pajamas and bunny as a girl. So it's a split. It's a good split of girls and boys in this, which is very nice. I don't like to see all one gender in the minifigs. 10 years of collectible minifigures, not CMFs. Collectible minifigures, that is their name, and that's what we shall call them. I'm glad I got 2 of the minifigure diver girls, because I can show you the difference here in the stand versus them on their legs. So on the right, I have her with the turtle just without her flippers on, standing on the bottom of the ocean, in the tank, or on the beach, or whatever, without her flippers on, of course, but she's with the turtle. Now this one here, you can set it so that she's like floating in the water or swimming with the flippers on, because they got that little curved clear piece that sits on a like a bottle top piece that sits over the stud. So that's really cool. So there's those parts extra in the set of the minifigure that you can use it for, you know, extended play, if you want to call it that, or make them more posable. And then of course also has the turtle next to it, and that looks really cool. So I really like this one here, because it looks like she is in motion as opposed to the static standing minifigure that majority of minifigures are, just sort of standing or whatever. So when you have some action going on, it kind of brings a little bit of the realism and life to the minifigure. So I think that's really cool, and I'm glad that they added those extra parts in. They put 2 parts in, those bendy part, clear bendy parts, so you can use it for a second minifigure. So or if you lose it, of course, from the first one. So it's nice that they add that second part in as a spare, and so that just really opens up the possibilities for more posable action figures, or minifigures in this case, down the road. Hey, if you want to see more of my Lego theme park or do-it-yourself tips and tricks, check out my other videos.